Arnett Gardens' opponents for the final of the Red Stripe Premier League will be decided on Sunday when UAFC take a 2-1 advantage into their return leg semi-final against Portmore United at the UWI Bowl.
Rested and ready, UWI are on the verge of securing a first berth in the final, an historic feat after only being in the league for 2 seasons. It's been a while since they have beaten Portmore United in the first leg, 2 weeks to be exact. But while UWI were resting and healing their wounds, Portmore were busy away taking part in the CFU Club Championship.
For them, it's like a Champions League, which would be like in England for Leicester City. If you notice the difference when Leicester City didn't play in the Champions League last season, they were always performing day in, day out. Compared to this season, they have to be traveling to and from. So, I mean, it's an advantage to us, but we're not going to use that and think that, yeah, everything is over.
And while Humberline were complaining about their long wait, UWI welcomed theirs.
These weeks has been fortunate. We have some players out and injured. I think these rests help us to regain strength and recovery period for those players. So I say probably it's a blessing in disguise for us.
So with UWI just 90 minutes away from the final, they're looking at the possibility to make a mark in the league.
To be a part of history so far is a great feeling, and we will try to continue and make more history as possible. So we just continue working, we keep on working hard during the weeks leading up to the next leg. So we'll just keep on putting in the work and hopefully we reap success.
Tired legs maybe, but Portmore United are not coming just for the ride. They're looking to make it back-to-back final.
The guys are pretty much confident. It's a semi-final game and we're just giving our best shot.
And the plan is to hit UWI early as they seek to wipe out the disadvantage.
We're looking forward to go there to try and get an early start, try and get an early goal, you know, to be back in the tie, because as you know, we're down 2-1. So the main reason or the most important thing is to go out there and try and get an early goal, get an early tie and put them under some pressure and see if we can score 2 more goals and win off the tie.
The 2 teams have met 4 times this season, with the 2 sharing 2 wins each.